Hi everyone, welcome to my channel HTML Geeks. Today we are going to learn about how to create HTML login page using HTML and CSS. From here, we are going to create this page using HTML and CSS. And if you still not subscribe my channel, subscribe and hit the like button. From here, we are going to start now. And here I create a login page, login.html, and I simply click shift plus exclamation 1 and hit the enter like this one, okay, using HTML format. And here what we have to do is we are starting from here using div class login form and login form. And here I use the form, like here we have to make the form, and I use the method is equal to post, yes, post method, and use action is equal to hashtag. And now here we are going to make our heading h1 is login, and here I use p tag for the email, and here I use input tag. Type, here I use type is equal to email, like there's a different type of type, email, number and type हो गया. And here we use placeholder basically tell about which field is that, like what we have to fill in the placeholder. And here I write enter password, enter email, and close the tag. And here again I use the password, and here again I use input tag. And here, but here I use different type, because here I use password, okay, radio reset, there are different type of type. Here I use password and choose the placeholder is equal to enter. Here I use enter password and close the tag. Let's use here a button tag using, and type is equal to, I give type is equal to submit. And here and using the sign in option, okay, sign in. And here I have to use p tag, sorry, span tag. And here I write don't forget, don't have an account. And here I use anchor tag for the link, href, and use the hashtag. And here I use sign up. And here I use again span tag, here span tag. And forgot username, password. And now simply we complete our form. Now we have to run from the open with live server. We have to simply click right, here is an option come open with live server. If you don't have this plugin in your system, in your VS Code, you have to simply go to the extension and download from live server, okay, by Ritvik day. Here I open the open with live server, and now as you see our form is ready, okay. But we have to add CSS to to make form attractive, okay. Now here we have to add some CSS. Here I use the tag like I use internal CSS, okay, inside the head tag using style tag. And always remember we have using style tag under the head tag, okay. And this one, and give the global selector. Here I give the margin 0 and padding 0. And here I want to add the different like font style. Here I using Google fonts. You have to simple search Google font. There are different type of free fonts are you are using. I using Poppins, okay. Here I using Poppins. And here I use this one, medium 500, okay. I simply select this style, and what I do is copy hold the link and paste in your this one inside the head tag, okay. Like I pasted. And what I have to do next is simply copy this one and paste in your code, like where I want to, but I want all my text is written in this font, Poppin form, okay. Did some mistake, okay. Here control V. And now as you see, there's a difference. Now our font has been changed. Yes, this like this one, yes. And here I use the like here I use the body and background color I use this. Here I use this one for my background color. Now as you see, okay. And now we have to style the login form. So we have to I have to simply add the height is equal to semicolon 450 pixel, and width semicolon 30, viewport width, okay. And here I add the minimum for the responsiveness. And here background color, here I add the background color equal to white, yes, like this one. And give some left 50%, and from top I give same 50%. Now as you see, okay, our page has load. Now here our login page background color is white. And now we have to give some space, and I want this one at the center. And for this one what I have to do is simply using transform translate. And here I using minus 50% comma minus 50% from left. And now as you see, okay, it is not it is at the top left. What I have to do, okay, I have to add the position absolute absolute. And here I also add the border radius to 20 pixel, I think, yes, 20 pixel is enough. And color is black. Now as you see, our login page has come in, this div has come at the center. And we have give some padding here and change the font size, okay. So good. Here I also give the box shadow. Here I give the 0 pixel, 0.5 pixel, 10 pixel, 1 pixel. Okay, pixel, and using the hashtag 123. Now as you see, like there is a background shadow has come little bit. Okay, and here what we have to do is simply going to uh, change the font size of the heading. Here I use login form h1 font size. Here I choose font size equal semicolon 40 pixel, and margin also give the 30 pixel, and I want my text, my heading in the center. Text align center. Okay, now as you see, okay, now it is good. Okay, now I have also changed this one p tag input tag. Okay, now here we add the p tag like this one, and font size 15 pixel, margin 20, 0, 5, 40 pixel. It is a shorthand property in margin. Now as you see, yes, it is good. And now here we have giving css input. Okay, font size is this, width is this, margin left 30 pixel, and outline is none. Okay, and the border radius is same as we give on the box shadow. Okay, and now here also give the button. We give the css in button. Now as you see, our button has now prepare and using css like this one. And now here also I think I have to give the class. Okay, to span this one, like class is equal to forgot pwd, and same here I simply copy this one and paste in the second span, and simply change that pwd 1. Okay, and add some css here also. Okay, now here I paste my code from the other file. Okay, and like dot forget pwd and forget pwd1, and adding a tag. Okay, giving the css effect. Now as you see, now we are going to our page. Let's refresh. Okay, now it is like this. Okay, I think I have to give the br tag here. Let's give the br tag here for the next line. Br tag. Okay, it is work. Okay, here I forget about this one. I write o instead of e. Okay, I have to write e, not o. And here I have to add the anchor tag. Therefore anchor tag href hashtag. Okay, and simply cut and paste in this one. And here I remove the br tag because I already give the css. Okay, therefore we don't need to have a, okay, like this one, and give there some space. Now as you see, now finally we make our HTML form using HTML and CSS, login form using HTML and CSS. And now as you see, it is same as I show in on you the first time. Okay, hope you will like this video. Like, subscribe and share.